stuck, you know that, right?
Same. That's very deep.
What do you think, Shorty? I want you to be honest with me.
It's either that or
Alright.
a couple of us can go around and then a couple go the other way, I guess. You grab that back corner, I'll get the back corner.
Go. Grab that brake. Inch forward. Inch forward. Joe's gonna tell you when to give it the gas, alright? When you get down in there. So once you start going down, lean back. Got me? Are you scared? You wanna do this?
You'll be alright.
Sure? Alright.
Just don't be afraid to accelerate.
So let off the brake. We're gonna push you forward a little bit. Alright, hit that brake. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hit that brake. Don't worry about your wheels. Keep going.
We got the quad.
Keep going. Don't be scared. Keep going. Keep going.
Right off the brake.
Alright, get it. Keep going. There you go. You're good. You're good. Go. Go.
It's gonna make it tough.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, you alright? You like that?
Hell yeah.
Straight out. You're gonna have to lean when you get up there. Use your brake.
I know. I tried, but it threw me.
Don't bury it. Try to go backwards. Nope, 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 nope. Don't bury it. Go, don't let off. Keep coming, keep coming. Go to the right.
Land wholesaler. I'm counting on not having to wait out there.
Me too. Hate to see my sailors get wet.
Hey, Roy, hold up too. I want to get a good shot of you. Somebody right behind you. I might, dude. I don't know. So, this is really nice one. Those are really close.
Yeah, you see what you did there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Piece of cake.
One shot.
And you said you were going to get stuck.
I thought it was. My shoes are really wet.
Just don't run me over, all right?
Oh, got a good shot of this. buddy. Kick ass.
Yeah, right on.